Hello. In this second session of Bootstrap, so we are using the layouts. Okay. So layouts we are using mainly in the web pages. So Bootstrap breakpoints. So in these breakpoints are customizable width that we can determine the responsiveness of the layouts. Okay. So in this based on the breakpoints, we are using the different type of dimensions for the web pages and extra small and medium and large type of devices. First, extra small nothing but small mobiles, and small is nothing but an Android devices. Medium is like we can take the iPads, and come to the large one is like desktops. Extra large for the laptops. Okay, and extra large is nothing but an big screens. So we are using these breakpoints. Okay, and let's the containers. So in these containers also, so mainly the containers we are used to um, use for the building blocks for the bootstraps, that can be pad allowing. So in the responsive content also, so in the grid, come to the grid. So these grid systems are powerful for the mobile first flexbox grids. Okay, so based on this we are using to build an all shapes sizes. Okay, and then come to the uh, grid columns. Okay, grid columns, how to use the grid columns and how we are using this one. And these are the grids. So basically in the cards we are using the display flex and similar types of the sizes like spaces, right? So in the same way we are using the columns. So save this, use the code in here, container grids column 1 column 2 column. Okay, save this. Okay, now column 1 column, and you can use the chords right now, chords. So I am using the chords here. So in these cards, let's take the save this card, copy this card here, column, and copy this card here, and here also copy another one. So in the cards, columns are different. So based on the columns, we are fixing this. So images, let's take images, national geography. Okay, just use this image name. So even we are not even copyright, just showing we are not able to copyright. Okay. And then take another news, India today. India today. So here in this website you will get some images. Okay, copy this image, or just copy this, use here, save this, and then next one, India today. So here we are getting like this, right? Daily to take this daily science wrapper, copy this, paste it here. So chord sizes, image sizes already fixed. This is for what? Political. And this second image on cricket, like sports. And the third one is third one copy this image link, paste it here, and this is for story writing. Okay, story writing. Save this and use the content as it is. Use the content. Okay, and the next one, copy this content also. What is the next one? Sports. So take this sports, just use this text, normal text. The celebrities, take any text. Okay, relevant. So if you want to use the grids, use like this. Still server is running. Now look like this. Okay, so this is the boxes, all the chords. If you want to use some shadow, box shadow, CSS. So 100 plus shadows examples are here. Take any box, copy this CSS. Okay, what is this? This is the cart, CART dot CART, box shadow. Save this, refresh this. Okay, you will get all the box shadows as it is. So like this we are using the grids in the CSS, and CSS we are using breakpoints, grids for the layouts. Okay, so I'm using the chords. So column, for the 12 columns are there for the extra small. Okay, and all are 12 columns, but if you want to use the small one, so use the columns map. Call SL, call SM, call medium, call large, call XL, and call double XL. In the auto columns, we are using the one, or so if you take the two, 1 and 2, we are using the one column only. Here we are using how many columns? There are 3 columns, right? 1, 2, 3. So like this we are create the bootstrap chords. Similar way, columns. These columns, how it helps actually. Take this, use the columns. This is the chord, right? Columns. Save this. One of the column, this is one of the column. So come to the refresh. So you will get like this, 3 columns, 3 columns, start, center, and end. Okay, so if I am using one particular chord here, use the chord as it is. So this is the chord, right? Use this chord where here, and use the another one. And let's use the next one. Copy this, save this. Okay, refresh it, and here refresh. You will get like this, and remove the all the save this. You will get as it is. So basically the arrangement, so change the alignment or align self start, center and end. So if we are using what happened, it is normally in the same line on a horizontal alignment only. It is nothing will change. But columns are mainly we are useful to write the boxes. These are the column. Use the boxes. Like boxes means cards. So in this one, glitters. So write. So use these small boxes. Collapsible table buttons. Large buttons. And chords. Different type of chords that we have. Take one. Yeah. Take this. Right here. And right here. Right here. Save this and refresh it. So we'll get the quads like this, and here we are directly what to return columns, right here, columns. So there is no end, so no end. So use some margin, style equal to, can I use here, I can able to, and margin pixel. Okay, save this, refresh this. Okay, you will get like this. So the cards also having, we are already written cards, right? The background shadow will be there. So here I am using like this cards, and cards along with the columns. So what is the glitters? How can we use the glitters? So take this and compress, use this. Okay, let us save this, refresh. We'll get like this. Okay, and use some paragraph, use some paragraph. Okay, now, and here also use some paragraph, save this, refresh this. Okay, now you will get like this. These are all are the glitters. Glitters means, so in the glitters are mainly we are used for the columns, how to arrange the columns. So 3 and 4 columns the same way. So we can write the glitters like this, glitters. See, here also there is some, see, space, without any space, refresh it. Okay, there are, it is forming one paragraph in the column. Then text center, text left. Okay, right, text left. What will happen? It's written like this. So if you want to change anything, you can able to change. And text center means center, only in the center. This is the glitter, this is the chords, these are also columns. So same way. So center is good, but text center we can't able to like judge. So how the column is look like same. So we are using the different type of applications. So based on that we can able to use. So let's see how the responsiveness of the pages. Inspect this. So try to responsive for the mobiles, how it look like. See, for the mobiles, how can we see? Take 100 pixel. Now take the 100 pixel, inspect it. Okay, see, this is the responsiveness we are getting. Is it right? We are not in the same position. If width is compressed, then automatically card will be moving left. Now it's okay, right? It is okay, simple. Okay, so we are able to write like this, and we can able to create with the responsiveness in the web pages. So by using the glitters, by using the responsive grids, columns. Okay, and then what is the z index? Z index is mainly we are using in the css property. So we can arrange the layers. Okay, layers. So based on the particular image and also text, we are using this z index. Okay, and css grid we are already, I'm already explained here. The same way we can able to write glitters like this. So if you use this 1 2 3, so we can place the images. css right, great. So here you can place images, not an issue. Bootstrap images. Yeah, here this is the image, right? Copy this thumbnail. And use okay, try to use the similar images. This is already, size is already fixed. Stay. Here you can just remove this, then add the images on splash. nature. So go to the nature, copy these images one by one. Copy this image also. So ALT, whether you are not written any ALT, not a problem. Here copy this image. Here also copy this image. Copy this here. Here also just copy this image. Copy this image link. Just copy this image link also. So use this one. Last one. Okay. Save this, refresh it. We are getting the images like this. Because it is a responsive thumbnails, so it's a 1 pixel and 200 into 200. If you are change the width img, you change the width of img, take the img width, img width 50 pixel, height is the width img width 50 pixel. How it is not taken? Yeah, okay, we are writing within the card, that's why. Height 50 pixel and width also 50 pixel. Okay, now save this. Okay, it's look like this, and do one thing, padding like display flex. Use this 80 like 100 into 100. Save this. Okay, because this flex box is not working, so because already the properties are already mentioned with the flex dot inbox. So use the text center. Remove this grid, only take the grid. Remove this. STYL style display flex, because this is the father type. So we are getting the images like this. So if you use above the glitters, it will work. Okay, it will work like this. Okay, it's simply you can able to see like this. It's very attractive. So we can use the different type of plugins in the Bootstrap like this. Okay, so hope you are getting this. If you have any like if you have any doubts, please come and first one, go to the first and let understand the concept, and then look into the entire video once. So hope you are able to create and web pages with the Bootstrap, and then we have the different type of components we have, and different uh, type of utilities like the borders, which are the flex, flow, positions, screen recorders. Okay, now screen recorders, displays. So we have the different type of the components. So we can able to use based on the Bootstrap properties. Okay, thank you.